The 6 Arab country that I'm about to mention now, if you're a woman, please avoid these 6 Arab countries. Do you understand me? Nwanne nne gị m ntị biko, ọ ga-amasị m nke share this video because ihe about awareness ka na-create because of ihe ndị Arab na-eme ụmụ nwaanyị Africa. Do you understand me? Amala onye nyawo ozi ya kịta nwere ike help. So help me share this video, please. Now, as a woman where they listen to me, please avoid Lebanon. Whether I won't go there, go do domestic work, or this nanny or housemaid or anything or garden, they are employing you for you to be looking after their garden. It's in Lebanon. Please avoid Lebanon. Avoid Lebanon because of the way these people, their men are treating African women. Do you understand me? They are abusing African women. I'm not on Facebook. So because sometimes self they will seize your body. Sometimes they will correct your body. They will give you the body back. You will not have freedom. Sometimes they will not be paying you enough money. They will not be giving you enough food, and they will asking you to work more. And the worst thing in all these Arab countries be say you no go fit leave that country. You no go fit leave without the notice of the person who employ you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Another country here now, Saudi Arabia. Even though I hear say they are trying their possible best to amend some certain things, but if you want to do nanny job, all this domestic work, avoid the Saudi Arabia as a woman. Avoid Lebanon. Another country here, Kuwait. On an Arab country, but this is why they mention for you. So do you just sit to yourself? Do you understand what I'm saying? You see all this domestic work, all this house job, they go, all this Arab country they do, all this nanny and the other about, and one agent go tell you say money there inside. They know they pay well, especially where they don't correct your party. If you don't even have visa, now your case it go be worse. The way all their men they treat African women no be here. They go molest you. They go want to touch you anywhere where they like. Another country here now, United Arab Emirates. You see Dubai. This one beside don't have encounter with somebody where have issue there. A housekeeper, they doing all manner of job for the compound, but they correcting body. They know the other one they go out. They know they give them enough food. Now one kind room now they go keep the person. Do you understand me? They are giving her overable. They know they pay her well. They know they give her food well. So the reason why I'm telling you this now, for you to have the information. Anything concern Arab country and somebody is telling you they are paying well, no go there. Another country now Qatar. Now you see all this Arab country why I don't mention for you. If you know what is good for you as a woman, please avoid Arab country. Our men, they suffer, they talk more of you will be woman. You know South Africa no going government you. They want Igbo na ege monte. Anakwa asika that na ego na no elo homework, elo all this nanny job, if feature uno, changing nwa diapers, Ibu a housekeeper, Ibu a gardener, all this job wana agwunu na ona akwụgwọ na Dubai. Obu kwa eziokwu. Some of whom na gina abono chana Arab country. Some of them are da anuzukwu onufa. One na ga court to go to communication again. If we have this men on that na amoresi women, imelo mwanya na alo nani na Arab country ebele. Yenji agwa gi ihe abuke ya pepesi na enolo ya. Help me share this video. If you Lebanon, if you Qatar, if you Kuwait, if you Saudi Arabia, if you Dubai, avoid all this country. because ahụ ya akwa afọ gụ na ị na-alụ dị ọrụ o. I nwere ike na-eficha ihe na kichin, ofu nwoke agbata ebe a bido na-apịkasị gị aka one kind sometime achọ ife ọsoro and ị nwere okwu ya na-ekwu okwu. Onye jegolo ụdị ije akịta anụ vidio anụ na-agwa gị ọ ga-aghọta ife m na-ekwu, mana gị nwee jebere maka unu nwa ejenti na-anara ego na-asị gị na a na-akwụ ezigbo ụgwọ ebe ahụ. Jụkwa ese ihe m na-agwa gị, jụkwa ese maka imecha jebe bulu ebe ahụ rikreti bụ ihe a na-agwa gị ka emesịa.